Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome, everybody. Look, man, right now, or right quick, I want to show y'all something. I've talked about this before in the past. The oil leak that comes mostly on the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. Now, what I've talked about in the past was basically starting your diagnostic at the top of the engine. So if you chasing an oil leak, any kind of leak for that matter, you want to start at the top. So basically, after you raise the car up and you verify that there is oil leaking, you know, you have presence of oil all on the underbody of the car, then I would proceed to let the car down and do a thorough visual inspection. Grab your good shop light or whatever you use and give the car a good look over. A visual inspection, real good. Because what you may find is whatever fluid leak you're chasing started at the top. And in this case is the oil filter adapter housing. Now, Chrysler been having problems with this housing since day one. So they getting the handle on it now. I think they redesigning the oil filter adapter housing. And mostly what I've been telling people is if you're going to replace it, or if you replace it, go back with a OEM part, a OEM brand new Mopar part. Okay, now I know some aftermarket sell the seal kit, the O-ring seal kit. I don't have any experience with those, so I can't really comment on those or judge them. But now if you chasing or if you're trying to avoid spending a lot of money, maybe go with it that way. But I mean, it's not a small job and it's not a big, huge job, but if you can shell out the extra bucks, I say get the whole complete OEM adapter housing. Now I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see what I'm talking about, because this one's actually leaking pretty bad. You can see oil all in the intake area of the motor of the engine, and it has worked its way down past the transmission, man. So you can easily diagnose this as a rear main oil seal or valve cover gasket for that matter. So you don't want to misdiagnose it. So, but what I was talking about on OEM, we have I have a new one right here. So this is a brand new OEM oil filter adapter housing. It comes with the O-rings on it. So, but like I said, I haven't replaced just the O-rings on one of these. To me, if I take this off, go through the trouble of getting it off, I'm gonna go in with a new one. Like I said, if you have the extra money, go in with a new one. All right, I want to make this video long, so let me turn the camera around and show you what's going on here. All right, see, I'm covering the, right now I got it over the intake area. I already have the plenum and the upper plenum and the lower plenum off. So now we can visually see real good exactly. You see all that oil? That is a lot of oil. Now, this customer thought maybe he had a blown head gasket because he have a mixture of oil and coolant on the bottom of his car. He thought maybe his head gasket was blown. But as I explained to him, we need to find out where the leak is coming from. Look at all that oil. Yeah, so I haven't taken it off yet or loosened it or anything, but I'm getting ready to replace this real quick. Like I say, it's not a hard job. It's not an easy job, depending on your mechanical skill level. So, heed that warning. If you're gonna try, if you're gonna do this as a DIY job, just notate everything you remove so you can go back on in the right place. You know, it's pretty. It's like a puzzle with the fuel injector connectors and things like that. It just fall right back into place. So, I don't know. These cars are mostly out of warranty or headed that way, so you're going to see them a lot in the aftermarket where a lot of people are going to be trying to do it themselves. So if that's you, just be careful. All right, I don't want to make this video long. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.